Hello everyone, welcome back a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make dramatic black and white filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe now. So let's start editing. Open Lightroom Mobile. Go to Lights panel. Exposure little up to 0.20. Contrast to 85. -48 to highlights. Bring up to shadows to 52. -100 to whites. And blacks to 22. Then select Curve Adjustment panel. Following the steps, done. Next go to Color panel, Temperature to 14. Tint bring up 22. Increase Vibrance to 35. Saturation down to -28. Then select Mix Adjustment, select red color and decrease saturation to -24, luminance to -100. And select orange, then saturation down to -33. -18 luminance. Select yellow, hue down to -100 and saturation decrease to -100. The green, cyan, blue, magenta and purple. Done. Next go to Effects panel. Texture to 18. Decrease clarity to -52. Increase to haze to 43. And vignette to 18. This value change in final step. Then hit OK. Then select Details panel, Sharpening increase in 38, and Details to 54. Then bring up Masking to 34. And Noise Reduction to 32. Contrast to 20. The color noise reduction value to 32. At the last, details and smooth slider to 100. Perfect. Final step, go to Profiles, select Black and White, and select Profile Black and White 6. And increase slider to 130. Done. And change value for vignette this time down to -18. Finish. Before and after. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Select 3 dots, then select Copy Settings. If you want this preset, you can download the video description from the link. Before and after. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like. Please leave your comments about this video in the comment box. See you next video.